Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
And Spice.
Today we're making Metropolis morning bacon and the perfect fried egg.
What would a Father's Day brunch for your super dad be without fried eggs and perfectly cooked bacon?
It would be nothing.
It would be nothing.
So that's why we're going to teach you great tips to make awesome bacon and super fried eggs.
Let's get this bacon in the oven. We picked maple bacon because we love it. And a good trick to making delicious bacon at home is we actually used a deep lasagna tray and a cooling rack. The extra fat's gonna drip below and there's very little cleanup.
Oh, I love that. That's such
Give
a
me that
smart
bacon.
tip.
We're gonna cook this at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes till it's nice and crispy.
While our bacon is cooking, Natasha's going to teach us some awesome facts about these cool eggs that we have.
So here we have some of our favorite eggs from Apricot Lane, which is a farm just outside of Los Angeles. Did you know that different types of chickens lay different colored eggs?
What? There's a turquoise egg, guys. Are you kidding me?
So depending on the type of chicken, that decides the color of the egg. A lot of people think that the brown eggs are better than the white eggs, but they're not. It's really just the variety of chicken. All you want to look for is a super fresh egg. And you'll know it's fresh if when you crack it, the yolk sits up really high.
Really?
If you crack an egg and it goes like in the pan, you know when it does that?
Can you do that again?
You've seen that, you know that one. So you're gonna take a decent amount of olive oil and heat it in your omelet pan.
And you're gonna watch your cape.
Watch the cape.
Make sure it doesn't get in the pan. Did you know that when they were filming Man of Steel, they did not use a real cape on Superman in any of the action scenes? It is all CGI.
What?
Do you also want to know an amazing fact about Henry Cavill?
Yes.
Okay, he was Stephanie Meyer's first choice as Edward in Twilight. The author herself wanted him to be Edward, but it turned out that they chose Robert Pattinson. He's amazing and beautiful, so it worked out great, but isn't that crazy that it almost was someone else?
The good news is they both win.
Because now he's Superman. He is the most famous superhero in the world.
Oh, and so dreamy. We're gonna crack our eggs once your oil's hot. You're gonna continue cooking them for about 2 minutes until the outsides become golden brown. That's when you know they're just about done. And then you get to pick if you like really soft yolks, you're gonna pull them out pretty immediately. If you like them a little firmer, then we're gonna take a little bit of oil in a spoon and just spoon it over the top until it develops just a little bit of white over the top of the yolk, and then they're done.
I love that.
And that's how easy this brunch is.
It's been about 15 minutes since our bacon was put in the oven, so we're gonna grab that.
Maple bacon!
I think our egg is almost ready too, so let's plate this up.
So we have our perfect fried egg here,
Are you kidding me?
which we'll finish with some salt and pepper.
That is gorgeous.
They are going to be tasty.
Put a couple pieces of bacon on here. So we have our eggs and our bacon here, and we're going to pair it with our super smashed potatoes. To check out that video, click the link below and we'll taste it all together after we make our potatoes. See you next time on Cinema and Spice.